Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by going straight to Settings and tapping Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. This section collects app activity so you can see true screen time. Once you tap it, grant any requested permissions, otherwise data may be incomplete. Make sure location or usage access is enabled if prompted, because Android aggregates app usage from those services. This gets us to the dashboard where app usage lives. Pause briefly to let the phone compile recent stats before moving on. Now you tap Dashboard to reveal the ranked list of apps with minutes and sessions. You can tap an app to expand hourly charts and see why usage spikes, notifications, background activity, or foreground time. Use the date selector to switch between today, last 7 days, or a custom range so you compare trends. If you want finer detail, check app info from the same screen to see battery and background restrictions that affect reported times. Finish by applying controls or exporting results. Set app timers directly from Dashboard or enable focus mode to block distracting apps. If you need a record, take a screenshot or write down totals. Some Android builds let you share a weekly report. If you see no data, check App Settings Special App Access Usage Access and ensure Digital Wellbeing or your launcher has permission. That fix resolves most missing stat problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.